Press the escape key and select load checkpoint. You can able to load checkpoint. Select upstairs. This mod lets you have this checkpoint selector at pause menu. As you can see, to use this mod, download, select this right arrow, download suspicious file, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location, open runtime. Before dropping this txt, you need to back up your txt file, then drop to desktop. And now you can drag and drop the mod files inside. We have successfully installed the mod. Now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and select load checkpoint. You can able to load checkpoint. Select upstairs. And as you can see, load checkpoint mod was working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.